for a reliable, efficient, and high-performance washing machine to handle your laundry needs. Meet the Samsung 8 kilograms, 5-star fully automatic front-load washing machine. A perfect combination of advanced technology, energy efficiency, and thoughtful features designed for your home. Let's dive into its features, pros and cons, and real customer reviews. Stay tuned. And don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description to grab yours today. Capacity and energy efficiency. With an 8 kilograms capacity, this washing machine is perfect for medium to large families. Rated 5 stars for energy efficiency. It ensures you save both electricity and water with every wash. Hygiene steam technology. Say goodbye to allergens and bacteria. The Hygiene steam technology releases powerful steam that penetrates fabrics, removing up to 99.9% of germs and allergens. It's ideal for households with kids or sensitive skin. Inbuilt heater. The inbuilt heater gives you the option to wash your clothes with warm or hot water, making it easier to remove tough stains and oily residues. Digital inverter technology. Powered by digital inverter technology, the machine operates smoothly, consuming less power while ensuring durability. It's quieter than ever, so no more noisy wash cycles disrupting your day. Eco Drum Clean. Keep your machine clean with the Eco Drum Clean feature. It automatically notifies you when it's time to clean the drum, ensuring hygienic washes every time. User-friendly interface. The sleek LED digital display allows you to easily select programs, track time, and customize wash cycles. Choose from multiple preset modes like cotton, wool, synthetics, baby care, and quick wash. Design and build quality. With its modern front-load design, premium finish, and durable build, the Samsung washing machine adds both style and functionality to your laundry room. Pros. Energy efficient. Saves on electricity bills. Hygienic cleaning. Removes allergens with steam. Durable motor. Long-lasting digital inverter technology. Low noise. Quiet operation even during spin cycles. Versatile programs. Multiple wash modes for different fabric types. Cons. Upfront cost. Slightly expensive compared to basic models. Installation dependency. Requires professional installation for optimal performance. Customers love this washing machine for its excellent performance and user-friendly features. Here's what they have to say. 5-star. Super quiet, and the steam feature is amazing for baby clothes. 4-star. Great product, but installation took a little longer than expected. 5-star. Efficient and energy saving. Absolutely worth the investment. With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, this Samsung washing machine is a trusted choice for many households. So, what are you waiting for? Simplify your laundry routine and upgrade your home with the Samsung 8 kilograms fully automatic front-load washing machine. Click the link in the description below to buy now on Amazon and enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience. Get the Samsung 8 kilograms 5-star fully automatic front-load washing machine with Hygiene steam, inbuilt heater, and digital inverter technology here. Amazon link below description. 8 kilograms capacity. 5-star energy rating. Hygiene steam feature. Digital inverter technology. Transform your laundry experience today. Don't forget to like this video.